This Winnebago belongs to one of our customers. It has a wheelchair accessible door and lift. The issue he had was being able to open and close the door. We were able to put together a lift door opener that would work wirelessly to open and close the door for him. Now he has full independence getting in and out of his RV. He can push the button to stop the door at any given time. As you can see, it occupies very little space inside and does not go over the door sill to get in the way as he goes in and out on his wheelchair.